How to write your first blog post on WordPress. I suppose you have decided upon the topic and are ready to write your first post. To start, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. There's a menu on the left sidebar with different options. When you hover your cursor over Posts option, it pops out more options. This All Posts shows different posts that we have made so far, but we are going to start with the very first post. So let's click this Add New option. And this is what our blank post is going to look like. We have a place where we can add the title of our post and the rest of the content below it. On the right side, there is going to be a sidebar. If it is not there, click this box-like icon and it will show up. We will touch upon it later on. Now give a title to your first post. Down here, put all the content of your post. Do some text formatting, like making the headings bold. From here, you can organize your content into paragraphs, insert tables, and create lists to better present your entire post. I'm not going into details due to time constraints, but giving you an overview so you can DIY. You see this little button here, and when you click on it, it opens a box with more content management tools. You can insert images into your post and access your gallery. Let's close this box by clicking this button again and move to the right sidebar. As I said earlier, come to this right sidebar after completing your writing work. Here it says the visibility of your post is public, which means everyone on the internet can access your content once published. You can click on it and change the visibility as per your needs. From here, you can set a specific date and time to publish your post. It will automatically publish it when the scheduled time comes. Little below, it shows the URL of the post here. We can change this link and decide what we want our link to be called. If we scroll down, we can see categories that we will get into and create categories for our post. We can create as many categories as we require to organize our posts into different categories. Let's scroll down a little and create tags for this post. It will tell Google and other search engines what your post is about. Now we need to publish this post, so click the Publish button. That's it. The post has been published. Thank you for watching.